Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of I Heard That the Queen Mother and the Queen Are True. Chapter 27, so here it is. Let's read the story. Back to the Queen Mother. If you beg me, it's not like Aisha can punish you with left hand. Right now, the Queen Mother is holding a stick. Well, probably it was really painful if you get punished and used by the stick. In order to prevent you from resisting halfway, you have to tie your own hands and explain. Right now, Queen Jiangshu, please sister, punish me. Well, that was too tough. She really wished herself to get punished. Right now, Jiangshu, she was lying on the floor and she bent down. She was looking to the Queen Mother, waiting for her to punish her. But suddenly, please, you big-headed ghost. Right now, the Queen Mother, she was waving at her. Well, the two of them, they're really cute and they tease each other, especially right now. Sister is on weekdays work hard enough. Yangshu said to the Queen Mother, but the Queen Mother right now, she want to punish her. Queen Jiangshu, she was holding the stick and said, Sister, look back to the Queen Mother right now. Well, did the Queen Mother really wish her to see her get punished herself? But for the sake of my sister who feels so sorry for her sister, right now the Queen Mother was looking for her. Well, she became fierce towards her. It's like she's pressing herself towards the Queen Jiangshu. And Queen Jiangshu, it seems that now she feels uncomfortable. The Queen Mother said to her, undress for you. Oh, this is it. She will really get punished. Queen Mother will undress her. So it was easy to get punished. Yangshu, at this moment, it seems to be she's not feeling good. It seems that she was really crying because maybe of the pain. Suddenly stand up. Well, this girl, Queen Mother was really tricky towards her. You are innocent, the Queen Mother said to her. What's the hurry? Didn't you help Aija take off his clothes last night? Well, she was right. Two of them are both girls, of course. Jiangshu said to her, I didn't take your clothes off. The Queen Mother said to her right now, so tonight you need to take it off. You. Why are you facing the Aija and just you are shy? Are you really Xiaoshang house? I don't have it. Queen Jiangshu said to the Queen Mother, but the Queen Mother, of course, she cannot lose her faith in front of Jiangshu. No, why bother with this? Kay, the Queen Mother, it seems that she was really decided to execute the sentence. Well, must be hard for her. Right now, she need to punish herself. That's why the Queen Mother said to her that the executed plan must be start right now. Also, when punishing, well, this must really tough. Queen Jiangshu has a lot of things to follow. He said to her, look at the mourner. Now, she was ready. She seems to be lying down on the floor and her vac is ready to get punished. Well, putting up the sticks towards her vac. Of course, it must really painful. Now, looking at her, she seems to be surprised. Her eyes suddenly, it seems to be going to faint. But Queen Jiangshu, at this moment, she was waiting for the Queen Mother to punish her, but right now, what a joke. You don't look at the Aija. How can the Aija see from your expressions if you are working hard? At this moment, can you hear the sounds? I can hear you see the injury. You are clearly just. Well, the two of them still debating. Of course, Queen Jiangshu, whether or not she like it, I want to see my shameful expression. Well, she must not see herself. Right now, it was ready. The Queen Mother was really going to punish her. Needless also. Well, this is getting crazy. Also, the Queen Mother right now, I really want to punish her. Look at it, I'll definitely cry myself while fly. Well, now, the Queen Mother is getting fierce towards her, especially requesting this. It seems that it was really cruel. I won't eliminate you, Queen Mother said to her. Right now, given the situation, when she pushed herself so much, of course, now, it was really painful for her, getting whipped by that. Of course, that stick was really hard, and when it touched on her skin, of course, it was really painful. What happened? I can obviously fight her back, but Yangshu, the Queen Mother, is calling her the body of the original owner. Well, at this moment, the Queen Mother is like she is demanding her to punish herself so much. In Jiangsu, right now, it seems to be she was really in pain, punishing herself just for the satisfaction of Queen Mother itself. Right now, she said to herself, it was really painful. She was holding their dress, probably not to bite her lips. Of course, sudden pain like this was really crucial for her. Right now, it seems that the Queen Mother, she was looking into her. Now, Queen Jiangsu, seems that she's having a difficulty on breathing. Half, half. Now, her leg, it really turns red, pushing the stick towards her back. It's hard. Well, right now, it seems that she's also losing her control. I've obviously punished enough 20 times. Why do I? Now, she continued to punish herself. Now, the Queen Mother said to her, do you want more? Queen Mother suddenly lifted up her chin. Now, the Queen Mother, seeing her eyes, and she was really crying hard. Of course, she must also be in a hard pain right now. Queen Mother said to her, don't stop. Just continue to punish yourself. Jiangsu, at this moment, she said to the Queen Mother, yes. But the situation is getting crazy, and the two of them still want to punish Queen Jiangsu. Queen Mother said, good. It was really terrifying and hurtful. What Queen Jiangsu at this moment can only do is to obey the Queen Mother itself. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!